Welcome back, dedicated health fitness warriors. If you've been following our journey through the science of nutrition and its mind-body impact, get ready to take things up another notch. In this electrifying part 3 of our fitness meal prep series, we're diving into advanced strategies that bridge the gap between nutrition, mental clarity, and unparalleled performance. It's time to master the art of optimizing your mind and body through strategic nutrition. Let's get started. 1. Cognitive nutrition, unleashing mental clarity. We're kicking things off with a groundbreaking concept, cognitive nutrition. Discover the nutrients and foods that fuel your brain power, enhance focus, and optimize cognitive function. From omega-3 fatty acids to brain-boosting antioxidants, we're exploring the science behind feeding your brain for peak performance. 2. Nutrient timing for athletic excellence. Timing is everything, especially in the world of fitness. We're diving deep into advanced nutrient timing strategies that sync your meals with your training for maximum gains. Learn how to manipulate carbs, proteins, and fats to optimize recovery, energy, and muscle growth. 3. Precision supplementation, beyond the basics. Supplements, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal. Explore the world of advanced supplements that can enhance your performance, accelerate recovery, and bridge nutritional gaps. We're talking about amino acids, performance enhancers, and more. 4. The science of hydration and electrolytes. Hydration isn't just about drinking water, it's about mastering the science of electrolytes. Learn the role of sodium, potassium, and other key electrolytes in maintaining fluid balance, muscle function, and preventing dehydration during intense workouts. 5. Adapting nutrition for periodization. Periodization is the secret weapon of elite athletes. Discover how to adjust your nutrition based on training phases, from bulking and cutting to competition prep. Adapt your macronutrients and calories to align with your goals and optimize results. 6. The power of functional foods. Functional foods are nature's gift to athletes. Explore the world of foods that provide specific benefits beyond basic nutrition. Whether it's anti-inflammatory properties, enhanced recovery, or immune support, we're showcasing the foods that can take your performance to new heights. 7. Mind-body recovery nutrition. Recovery is just as crucial as training. Uncover the nutrition strategies that support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. From protein synthesis to relaxation-inducing nutrients, learn how to refuel and recharge. 8. Creating your personalized nutritional blueprint. Congratulations, you're now a nutrition architect. We're wrapping up with a comprehensive guide to creating your personalized nutritional blueprint. We'll help you put all the advanced strategies together to craft a plan that aligns with your goals, preferences, and individual needs. And there you have it, fitness warriors. An in-depth exploration of advanced strategies that bridge the gap between nutrition, mind, and body. Your journey to elite performance is fueled by knowledge and empowered by action. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's continue this journey of transformation together. Stay hungry for knowledge, stay dedicated to your goals, and stay fueled for greatness. Remember, the pursuit of excellence never ends, and with every choice you make, you're shaping your ultimate success. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries and embracing the power of advanced nutrition.